Thank you for your interest in OXO H2O solutions. Here's what others are saying about oXoCrete.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to share my experience with oXoCrete. We were really happy to use oXoCrete on our project. A lot of benefits, including the downtime was almost minimal to put it on. Obviously there was no dirt, no dust, nothing else, and just the quickness that the company came and took care of our need here, and the results have been fantastic. So we're just happy that we used oXoCrete to solve our problems here at this project.
I like the OXO system for its simple use. I am able to use my concrete the same day as the treatment with OXO. The OXO system treatment is very simple. I am able to use my garage or pathway the same day OXO was applied.
I have some older concrete that needs repairing, and what I really like about the OXO process is that it won't take months to complete and doesn't leave all the unfinished business behind.
Hi, I'm a commercial landlord in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and having researched and considered some concrete restoration and rehabilitation options, I think that the options offered by OXO H2O Solutions Inc. are by far the superior. First of all, it's the most cost-effective option in the sense that it's cheaper than, for instance, ripping up concrete and having to fully replace it, but also the relatively non-intrusive process that OXO uses means that there's not an interruption to my cash flow with our commercial buildings. That's fairly important because it adds to the cost of the entire concrete restoration. If we had to rip up concrete, perhaps close down portions of a building, obviously that would affect the income that we could make, but the OXO system is not like that. We can continue to draw money, rent, and otherwise on our projects during the restoration process. Very valuable.
Hello, my name is Greg Birdhart. I've been involved in the construction industry for nearly all of my career as a professional civil engineer since 1988. I was a founding principal, the president, and CEO of a large buildings engineering company for over a dozen years, employing over 100 staff before I retired. After learning that the OXO product has been successfully used for over 30 years, I was so intrigued that I came out of retirement to help advance its usage worldwide.
As a project director responsible for construction projects, most of which are in excess of $1 billion, I work for clients that are looking for products that will save time, save money, are easy to use, and are safe. OXO does exactly that.